Raining money app. Physio question. My feet are swollen. What should I do? A. Buy bigger shoes. Be comfortable. B. Check to see if you are pregnant. It might be normal. C. Sit down once in a while. Standing too long is not good. Or D. Eat less salt. It may cause retention. Get our free app and get a bucket for the catch. New questions every 30 minutes. Skip on over to rainingmoney.com or be social with us at Raining Money CRM. Raining Money app is brought to you by AppLemon. To know is not enough. We must apply.